Hey there, it's Angela Wills here of MarketersMojo.com, and today I wanted to let you know about a software program that I think is a definite must-have for anyone with a website. It's called Website Legal Forms Generator, and what I'm going to do is go right through the program with you and show you what it does and how quickly it sets up, hassle-free legal software pages for your website. So what it does is sets up 17 legal forms, and the website says 17 minutes or less. The first time I did it, it took me less than 12 minutes. So very quick and easily to create some forms that are absolutely a necessity for your website. I'm sure I don't need to tell you how important it is to have legal forms on your website in this day and age when, people sue over the littlest thing. So this is a form generator. It's created by Mike Young, who is the president of the Internet Attorneys Association, and he's an internet attorney himself, and he's created this software program because, if you're doing business in the United States, you definitely want to have yourself protected, and it can be very costly to go to a lawyer. And I think that's one of the reasons why not a lot of people talk about actually getting these types of forms on your website when you look at some, internet marketing websites and training, because one of the only solutions, if you don't have a generator like this, is to actually go and have an attorney draft up these forms for you, which is obviously going to cost a lot of money. So this form generator is something you definitely want to have a look at, and anyone with a website should be protecting themselves and making sure that they have the proper legal forms on their website. So I've already installed this on my own computer, and it was really easy. When you get the package, I'll just open it up. You get a zipped up file. So here is the zipped up file, and I've got it unzipped here. And you can use a zip program like WinZip, or there's a free one called Coffee Cup that you can download. So basically all I did was click the setup, and then it automatically went ahead and set up for me. And there's some files in here. There's a README first file that gives you information about what the package includes, one copy of Website Legal Forms Generator software, one copy of the software's quick start instructions, and a software guide. You also get a user license agreement for the software, and that's your personal use license. And then you also get a copy of how to create your own internet business without a lawyer for under $175. And you get resale rights license for that book so that you can sell it to others as well. And a personal use only license for the book. So lots of great stuff here. So you want to read that first. You also, before you install, you want to agree to the license agreement, the terms of the license. So you want to read the software license agreement first, and then you want to make sure you agree with those. So if you don't agree, you just destroy your copy of the program and you don't use it. If you do agree, then you go ahead and you start setting it up and you use the software. So the software is created for anyone in the United States who has a website, and so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I'm actually in Canada, but I have, you'll see it's already generated, the fields are already filled out. It's because I've done this before, so that's even, a greater time saver here. I'm going to create about 7 forms in probably a minute. So if you have different websites, once you fill it out once, all you really need to do is then go down through it and change your website. So I put in my website Star VA here. If I need to do another website, go in and change the website information, change the email if you need to, and then create forms for another website pretty quickly. So you'll notice here that it says I'm in Canada, but I put the zip as 90210. It wouldn't let me. Let me try it this way, LOE1AO, because it does say postal code there. It wouldn't let me before put in my postal code, but I did have a space, so I'm going to try it again actually. So you fill out all the information here, very easy, simple questions, first name, last name, company name, street, city, zip code, product name, domain name, all kinds of easy questions there. Click next, and it also generates an affiliate form. So what you want to fill in here is just your affiliate page. So this would be the page that affiliates use to get, I believe, to get their resources. But I haven't looked at the form in its entirety, but it's what it looks like here. An example would be, a page where affiliates will go to sign up, get their resources, and things like that. Fill out commission rate, minimum amount earned before commission is paid. So just some information here about your affiliate program. And then all you do, this is screen 2, you click next, and your website hosting company's contact information. Now, last time I filled this out, I actually put in my own information, so that's what's here. But you'll want to fill this out properly when you're doing it, and fill out your website hosting company's contact information. So that's important to have on there so that people know who your website is hosted by. So then all you do, you fill these parts out here, and so if you're getting ready to do this, just make sure you have the website hosting company's contact information on hand, and then you can fill that out pretty quickly. And then you click generate forms. Okay, I did get that error again for the postal code, so I'm going to have to do the 90210. That's what I did last time, because I know the 90210 area code is a zip code in the United States. So I'll just go back through that again. I just have to put the wrong zip code in because I'm in Canada. This is actually a form for the United States. Anyone who's in the United States, I'm reviewing this because I have many clients in the United States, and I have all kinds of contacts, and I know a lot of people who read my blog are in the US, and this is a very valuable software program, so I wanted to let you know about it. So then you click Generate Forms. You choose where you want them to go. Right now I'm going to click Desktop. Click OK, and all forms generated in the selected folder successfully. So that was pretty quick. Let's minimize, and here you go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 forms. And some of those are popping up now because I did click on them. So here's the Digital Millennium Copyright Act notice, and this is a notice letting people know that the materials are copyrighted on your website, and so it just automatically generates, the website owner, the internet service provider, which would be your website host if I had to fill that in properly, and automatically fills this all in, which is some really great information there. So that's the DMCA notice, the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Here's an affiliate agreement, all filled in with the pieces of information that I put into the software. And then there's an anti-spam policy, so people know that you follow the CAN-SPAM Act. So there you go, that's just a few, and in total you have 7 legal forms to add to your website, and this is really not a difficult thing to add to your website now. These forms will then get uploaded to your website and then linked. If you have a web designer doing this, really shouldn't take any more than half an hour to do. I'm running out of time here. I've got just 10 minutes, but you just saw how quick and easy it was to set that up. Get those forms on your website is the next step, which won't take long. So I would definitely recommend this, and for, there's no excuse for not having it done because it's so quick to do. So you can check it out by going to my website and check out this this video, and there will be a link to go and get the website legal forms. So my website is marketersmojo.com, and come check it out there, and other video reviews. I hope you've enjoyed this review, and I'll talk to you later.